Hello and namaste everyone. My name is Shweta Khatri and I welcome you back on my YouTube channel. जहां मैं आप सभी के साथ वो सारी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स शेयर करती हूँ जिससे आप अपने इनर सेल्फ एंड आउटर सेल्फ को हैप्पी, हेल्दी एंड ब्यूटीफुल रख सकें। आज हम एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बॉडी पार्ट के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं, वो है हमारी आईज। Our eyes are the first point of contact when we communicate with others. An unhealthy eye actually have a bad impression on others and can affect our communication skills. It also reflects what is happening inside your body. If you are stressed out or sleep deprived, the first reflection is your eyes. It shows everything, and that is the reason sometimes when you go office, your friends ask you कि क्या बात है, आज नींद पूरी नहीं हुई? Just because your eyes reflects everything. All these points makes it very important that we put a cautious effort and take care of our eyes. I was also facing the problem of dark circles and feeling of inflammation in my eyes, and that took me to do this research and find out the different techniques that I can implement and get rid of eye related problems. In this video I will be sharing some eye relaxation techniques with all of you. You can include these techniques in your daily life and you can get rid of all eye related problems like eye puffiness, eye dryness, fatigue, strain, dark circles and burning sensation on your eyes. So without any further delay, let's see the video.
Sit in a relaxed position. Just bend your palms and create a hole inside your palm. Now you have to cover your eye area from this hole that you have created. Make sure you don't push your eyeballs and you sit in a very relaxed position. There shouldn't be any light inside your eyes. This is a very good exercise for relaxation of eye muscles and increasing the blood circulation in this eye area. Now we will see how to use this eye relaxing gel mask. For using this gel mask, just keep it in the fridge and wait for 20 to 30 minutes. After the completion of this time, just take it out and now it is ready to be used. Take out this gel mask and completely cover your eyes from this gel mask. Now sit in any comfortable position, or you can also lie down and relax for 20 to 30 minutes. You can also use this gel mask as a warm gel mask by dipping this into a warm water during winters especially. This is very beneficial for the problems like eye puffiness and burning sensation on your eyes. I have been using this gel mask since now almost 3 to 4 years. Take any eye cream and place it on both the eyes in equal proportion. Now start massaging your eyes in the circular motion just the way I am doing it. Do not be very harsh with respect to movement of your fingers because this area is very delicate. Now the second movement is from inside to outside on both the areas, upper area as well as the lower area. Now you have to do a circular motion on the extreme areas of your eyes. This will help you to reduce wrinkles around this area in the eyes. Now the last movement would be you have to press both your eyebrows just the way I am doing it. This is really very effective for getting rid of dark circles, and this should preferably be done before sleep time. Rub your hands for 10 to 15 seconds. The energy that you are generating through this process, you have to transfer this energy onto your eyes by just putting your hands upon your eyes. Sit in a very relaxed position and repeat this for 2 to 3 times. This is effective to reduce stress in your eyes. Nothing could be as soothing as connecting to nature. So whenever you get time, just go out in your gallery or in any park and spend time with nature and let your eyes see all the greenery around you. This really helps to reduce stress and make our eyes more healthy.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do share this video with your friends, colleagues and relatives. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be really very happy if you come back to my channel and share your valuable comments on the below comment box. I will be sharing the link to buy relaxing eye gel mask with all of you below in the description box. If you want, you can click and buy from that link. So let's meet in the next video. Have a healthy eyes.